Hello viewers, let's activate and deactivate developer options in Android mobile, preferably Samsung. Other Android mobile also does have the same procedure for activation of developer option. So first of all, go and click settings and now come down, click about phone and now click software information, or simply let me go back and open settings and click in search and directly type build number. So after build number appears, click it and now you are watching build number once again through search process. Now tap it 7 times. So after tapping it, now this message appears, so click on OK and developer option has been activated. You can see the message. Now to disable developer option, simply go to settings, come down and at the end you will see developer options. It appears and now turn off this button so developer option is once again deactivated. Simply click OK and through this way you can enable and disable developer options in almost all Android mobile. Thanks for watching.